Hello everyone, I'm Ken from Indio Company. Today I'm going to introduce you a very popular machine. We call it conveyor dishwasher. And this is a dishwasher suitable for which restaurants reach around 300 to 500 people, like school, hotel, and it's included main washing and rinse. So I'm going to tell you how to operate the machines first. So up, so turn the nuts to active water. So the machines will start to preheat to warm the water, and after the temperature is reaching to the boiler temperature is reaching to 80, and the water tank temperature is reaching to 50. So you can press the low lower speed or high speed, then press the water pump start. Then the machine will start to run. For the conveyor dishwasher, the working program is continuously. So when you place all the plates, 30 plates and glasses into the rack, and then pull in, and then take it out. Keep continuously. And for the dryer, it's optional. And furthermore, this kind of machines comes with 380 volts and 4300 power, which is very energy saving. And and for the water consumption, it's around 2.1 liters per rack. And also, this is our main control box. Uh, for relay contactors, AC contactors, we are using Snyder brand of Snyder, and also our water pump we are using FIR from Italy.